Oh, hello there. Hello TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, you probably have some interest in epic travel, adventure travel, luxury travel, travel fails, travel stories, travel hacks, or I mean, let's be real, food. I'm not gonna lie, I have been here on YouTube for a hot minute, and yeah, this year has been a wild freaking ride. Over the course of 365 days, we traveled through Bali and Thailand, and we adventured in Laos. Some of you guys even came along and joined the fun in person, which is always so amazing. There were beautiful beaches, beautiful viewpoint hikes, beautiful sunsets and sunrises, and of course, you know, again, food. Not only did we do a ton of exploring in Southeast Asia, but of course I took you guys with me to Anaheim in California for VidCon, which was another amazing experience. I made so many great friends, joined a little vlogging crew, and of course took part in the whole JanaCon fiasco.
So ridiculous.
Alright. If you're under 18, cover your ears.
Oh, so it's that kind of bomb.
Okay. The day I met Tana, she ate my banana.
If you've been on this channel for any length of time, you know that I'm an absolute travel addict, so of course the adventures didn't stop there. Even when we're home, we're adventuring, and I was thrilled to end the travel season with a road trip across Canada, or at least part of Canada, because, you know, Canada's pretty freaking big. I also learned a lot and grew a lot this year, not just online and with my business, but like, you know, that personal growth that we all strive for. There was a lot of that this year. I learned, or at least solidified, just how important it is to travel with family. I mean, this last year we traveled with my parents to Thailand and Bali, and they came out west to Alberta in Canada. We did a mountains trip. I went out east to spend some time with my sister in Halifax, Nova Scotia, which was amazing. And fun fact, we have Mexico coming up again in the new year, Mexico City, for, again, food. So stick around for that. We may not all always get along with our families. We may not all have a ton in common with our families, but at the end of the day, I've always felt like travel really brings people together. And I think this year I learned a lot about how travel can just solidify those like bonds and relationships that already exist. That said, my second lesson of this past year is regarding control. I'm not gonna lie, I learned a little bit about not always being able to be in control. Things happen, unexpected things happen, and if you're an organizer, a big organizer or planner like me, my solution in the past, and I still stick by it, has always been to like plan a little bit for the unexpected happening, schedule the unexpected, if you will. But also this year I learned that the unexpected can often make for the best memories, so you just gotta let it ride. And lastly, slowly but surely, I am learning to just let things go. It's a new travel year, and at the risk of getting a little bit too deep here in this video, the last few months I've really been put through the ringer and have learned a lot about myself, about the people that I surround myself with, and a little bit about what I can withstand physically. If you guys maybe don't know, I was in a small car accident. We just got rear-ended on the highway. Just pardon my French. So needless to say, I have learned a little bit about how negativity can, you know, unexpectedly just creep into your life. A lot of you already know this, but I am 100% the type of person who just wants everyone in my life to be super comfortable and super happy. It's one of the reasons why I do the work that I do and plan trips for other people, because I just love to see people happy and see their dreams come true, all of that cheesy but legitimate stuff. And I still feel that way, but starting today, that's right, this very day. I'm just gonna learn to let the negativity go, let go of negative people, let go of negative thoughts, and start each day with a little positive affirmation. So today I am loving the fact that I am home for the holidays. Yes, I did not share a ton of that with you, but this year I spent some time home for the holidays with my friends and family in Ontario, in Canada. And I might have filmed a little for memory's sake, but I didn't film a lot, and it was just super, super relaxing and not stressful at all. Or I mean, you know, the least amount of stressful as the holidays can be. And I just wanted to take a second to acknowledge you guys. TL Travel and travel planning and the YouTube channel and all of these things are the reason why I can work on the road and bring my work home with me and travel and see my family and do all of these things. So I'm super, super grateful for that as well. Obviously, we can find negativity in any situation, but why bother? Because there's positive things in every situation too. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you love about this big, beautiful world. Like and subscribe if you love to travel, because we have so many adventures coming up this year. Our next video on this channel is going to kick off our Costa Rica series. Then we will be heading to Mexico, tasting all of the delicious food in Mexico City, back to Southeast Asia. We've got a ton planned, so you're for sure not gonna wanna miss it. And fun fact, we are also starting a new travel tips mini series on the TL Travel IGTV channel. So if you wanna head over to Instagram at TL Travel and check out our IGTV. Every Tuesday, we're gonna be posting a travel tip Tuesday where we answer questions that you guys have asked us. If you have any other questions, be sure to leave them down below as well. And I'll do my best to answer them in one of our little mini series episodes. And that's it. So until I see you guys next, stay great, travel safe. Thank you so much for being a part of this travel community, and I can't wait to travel with you again this year. Bye guys.